0.5 and 0.92. Now carbon, hydrogen, oxygen atoms are found to be at non-integral value, therefore it is divided by minimum number, that is 0.92 here. So all figure is divided by 0.92. So 6.48 divided by 0.92, it becomes 7.04 equivalent to 7. Here it is 8.15, approximately 8, and here it is 1. So you convert into round number, and empirical formula is C7H8O. So according to empirical formula weight is 108. Now from the mass spectrum, molecular ion peak is found at 108, correspond to the molecular weight of the compound. This molecular weight 108 is in a multiple of empirical formula weight 108, therefore n equal to 1. Now molecular formula equal to n into empirical formula, therefore molecular formula is C7H8O. Ignore oxygen, therefore C7H8. Now open chain hydrocarbon according to CnH2n plus 2 formula with 7 carbon atom should be C7H10. So difference of 8 H atom, C7H16. So difference of 8 H atom is less, therefore index of hydrogen deficiency. Ignore oxygen, so molecular formula is C7H8 according to saturated formula of hydrocarbon CnH2n plus 2. You substitute Cn equal to 7, so C7H16, therefore 8 atom is less, so therefore index of hydrogen deficiency is 4, indicates 4 double bond equivalent is there. Now UV spectra shows absorption at 220 280, indicates pi n to pi star and pi to pi star transition. IR spectra shows band at 3000 centimeter indicates sp to cs stretching. Another band at 2930 2810 indicates sp3 cs stretching. So IR spectra shows absorption at 1600 1590 1494 centimeter inverse, indicate C double bond C aromatic stretching vibration. It accounts 4 double bond equivalent, therefore phenyl group is present. Another band at 1325 indicate methyl group bending vibration. Another two band 1250 and 1180 centimeter indicate C single bond O stretching vibration, therefore ether group is present. Here in molecular formula one oxygen atom is there. So one oxygen atom is available in 3 functional group, whether it is OH or it may be ether or it may be carbonyl. So OH and carbonyl stretching frequency is absent here, not given in the IR spectral data, therefore compound must be ether. So IR spectra shows absorption at 790 and 700 indicates monosubstituted benzene ring. PMR spectra shows signal at 3.7 delta ppm, 3 proton appearing downfield due to ring current effect and adjacent to electronegative oxygen atom, that is methoxy group is present, in which methyl protons are highly deshielded. So PMR spectra shows a complex signal, second signal at 7.1 to 7.3 delta value. It is a monosubstituted benzene ring and appearing at downfield region due to ring current effect. Here 5 proton is there, so it is a monosubstituted benzene ring and appearing at downfield region. So from all above discussion, we arrive at the structural formula. It is a anisole. So compound is ether, phenyl ring, similarly isolated methyl group singlet, 3 proton, 5 proton, phenyl ring proton. So it is a anisole. So fragmentation of anisole, the general aromatic ether we have discussed in last lecture. So molecular ion is produced at M/108 and which losing methyl radical. So alpha cleavage is there, methyl radical is lost. So this type of cation is there M/93, which loses CO molecule to form M/65 C5H5 plus. Now another is rearrangement. This ether undergoes rearrangement to remove on impact of electron beam, it will form molecular ion at M108 M/E value, and this molecular ion undergoes rearrangement to remove neutral formaldehyde molecule and to form a C6H6 plus cation at M by E 76. Which losing radical, this is 78, sorry, C6H6 plus radical cation M by E 78, and which losing H radical to form a phenyl cation. Okay, this number of problem we have solved. Now, using this spectral data, we can solve the different organic compound molecular structure is determined, and this is the very important in interpretation of mass spectra, NMR spectra, UV and IR spectra, and it is very useful applications to determine the unknown structure of organic compounds using this spectral data. Thank you very much.